Hello there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use the player removing event in Roblox. Let's now go to our service script service. We're going to add a script. In your script just enter the following lines. Basically up here we have the player added event, the character added event, and the humanoid died event. We learned this in our last tutorial. For this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on this part of the code here. It is the player removing event. So when the player leaves the game, it's going to kick off this event, it's going to fire this event, and it's going to pass in the player that leaves the game automatically. You can use this event to watch, to listen for when the player leaves the game, and you can do whatever you want when the player leaves the game. In this case, we're just going to print out the player's name that has left the game. Let me now go and open up my output window and let's play test and take a look. So here I am inside the game and I can go and score points. I score some points. If I die, the score is just going to be reset back to 0, but nothing has happened yet because I'm still inside the game. It won't be until when I leave the game. So now I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna say leave. I have left the game, and you can see it fired the player removing event, and I printed this message here. Well, the game printed the message. Price Counterpuncher has left the game. That is how we use the player removing event in our Roblox games.